on my new channel, A Young Life in the Fast Lane. We're going to Dormans Club car meet in Middlesbrough, so we can get some videos of cars, and we're bringing my dad's Ford Escort, so enjoy it. Arrive at Dormans car meet, so it's early on, so there's not many cars here, but there will be later on, so we're just going to look around what's here first, and then we'll get on to what comes. So here's a Porsche 944. It's nice rims on there, and there's this Focus ST here, and there's MG, two MGs together here, and this Aston Martin. Yeah. And next to it is a nice custom Toyota Chaser here. Very nice. And next to that is a Mustang here. Yep, Mustang Mark 1. Nice. Looks brand new. And then there's a Mazda MX-5 here. Convertible. Also very nice. And here, over here, and over here is a Talbot. Sunday.
That's finished. That was the the group, wasn't it?
And over here is a Mustang. Mustang here. Then next to that, Cavalier. And then comes a Subaru here. Then over here, my dad's Escort. And Ford RS Turbo here. Yeah, Ford RS Turbo. Mark 4. Mark 4 Series 2. Over here there's a really nice BMW 5 Series. BMW 5 Series over here. Really nice. And here's a Citroen XM. Yeah. And Micra. And Toyota here. And I don't know what that car is. Mazda. Yeah. And here comes another car.
That'll do for now. Come on.
So, going to stop here now. Then
See what else comes in there.
see what else comes in. Then video comes in next. So, see you in a bit. Little Mini coming in here. Yeah. And I don't think there's any more cars coming in just yet. Here's Mini. Nice Mini. Here's a Golf GTI coming in here, and I can hear something loud behind it. Mazda X5 there.
SD1.
Yep, SD1 behind that. With a big long exhaust in the back of that. Let's have a look around these. Mini. Looks pretty clean, this Mini. And over here, it's a Mazda MX-5. And a Rover.
Yeah, you get 2 petrol 2.26, and then a very carburet, and then a diesel. And diesel.
Once some more cars coming in here. Toyota. And a VW camper van here. And doors, butterfly doors and that. Butterfly doors in there, and a VW camper van there. And, yeah, Toyota. So I'll catch back up to you when there's more cars coming in. See you later. Saxo VTS here just came in, and I'm actually getting a similar car to this. I'm getting a Saxo VTR. The VTS are expensive, but I'm getting a VTR next year when I'm 10. This is a nice VTS, sorry, here, inside. Nice rims there. Oh, this blue car. Nice car there. You can hear something coming in now. Oh, Ford Fiesta coming in. XR2. Fiesta XR2 here coming in. Fiesta that just came in. Like Mark 1 Fiesta. Nice car here. Very clean. Nice car there. Car coming out here. Is that Mazda? Mazda V6. And I think there's a car coming in now. Yep, I can hear something. Oh. And it is a Mark 2 Escort. It was Dormans car meet in Middlesbrough. Decent turnout, some lovely cars. So if you like what you see here, like and subscribe for more of a young life in the fast lane. Bye.